Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Android developer options for debugging, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Android developer options for debugging, begin by unlocking your Android device. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select About Phone or About Device. Look for Build Number in the About section. Tap on Build Number 7 times in quick succession. You may be prompted to enter your device's PIN or password. Once completed, you will see a message confirming that developer options are now enabled. Return to the main settings menu and select System or Additional Settings, depending on your device. Locate and tap on Developer Options. In this menu, find the Enable USB Debugging by toggling the switch to the right. You may see a warning message about the risks of enabling USB debugging. Read the message carefully and confirm that you want to proceed. Now, connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the computer has the necessary drivers installed for your device. On your Android device, you will see a prompt asking for permission to allow USB debugging. Tap OK to allow this connection. Now, your device is configured for debugging. You can verify the connection by opening Android Studio or your preferred development tool. From this point, you are ready to start debugging your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.